Bhivpuri Waterfall or Ashane Waterfall. See the dramatic view. So many waterfalls are there from this hill. We are carrying out this recording from nearly 1 kilometer distance from this hill. So actually these waterfalls are very huge. Peculiarity of this waterfall is it's quite safe as compared to other many waterfalls. No deep crater is there in front of waterfall, whereas here now I can't locate here, but you can check out in this hilly area only. There is private waterfall also, and all these places you can check out a dramatic view. And we have this pure veg restaurant here, a nice garden restaurant.